Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Sub-Viewports in Godot 4. Sub-Viewports allows you to render multiple camera views in one scene. Think of them kind of like the alien sky panels in Chicken Little. For example, here I have a 3D scene that's being rendered inside of my 2D scene. Here's that 3D scene. And this is connected to a Sub-Viewport that we can render inside of the scene. So here I have a simple 2D scene with a sprite inside. I also have embedded a no 3D scene with a mesh instance, a world environment, and a directional light. So let's go ahead and render out this 3D scene to my 2D scene. So I'll go to add a camera. Sure, it's camera 3D. Next, add a Sub-Viewport container. This will be what's rendered inside of our 2D scene. And also add a Sub-Viewport. And drag and drop in the camera. Back to our 2D scene now. We can see that we have a view of our 3D scene immediately. And of course, we're not limited to just one view. Go back to our 3D scene now. Copy our camera. Drag it over here. And I've got to put it inside another Sub-Viewport. Go back to our 2D scene now. We can see that we have both our views of our cube. And so you're seeing now a great use for the Sub-Viewport is split screen. We also aren't limited to just rendering through our Sub-Viewport container. The Sub-Viewport node outputs a texture, which we can use in anything. So if we go and detach the Sub-Viewport from the Sub-Viewport container, go ahead and just delete that now. I can copy my sprite, reset the texture, and apply a viewport texture and find our viewport. And now we have our 3D scene on a sprite that we can drag around and scale however we would like. And you may have noticed that the sprite is a bit blurry. We can fix it by heading over to our Sub-Viewport and increasing the resolution. And let's say we just want to render our cube without the background. Well, easy. Head over to our Sub-Viewport and click on transparent background. And now we can copy our sprite. You can see that it will overlap perfectly. Anyways guys, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you!